fine and safe at home. Children, today we are going to see mathematics chapter 11, exercise 11.5 and its session 43. In the last Zoom class, Thursday Zoom class, we learned exercise 11.4 part 2, subtract, isn't it children? All of you complete as soon as I send you in the WhatsApp, you have to complete. Without completing, don't write lesson exercise 11.5 so that you will get confusion. Okay children, next week we are going to have midterm, so every notes you have to complete as soon as we send you. Okay children, today we are going to see word sums only. See, it's given in exercise 11.5, page number 183. If you have book, children, all of you take to page number 183 and 3 word problems you are going to see. The first one, I will read out children. Amit watched 2 cartoon shows on television. The first show was 1 hour 35 minutes long. The second show was 45 minutes long. For how long did he watch television? So see, first show 1 hour 35 minutes and the second show is 45 minutes. So you have to find out how long he watched television. Okay children, we'll see this one. So okay, so first we'll see time taken to watch the first show. First show. Time taken to watch the first show is equal to what children? 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay. So second one 1 hour 35 minutes. 1 hour 35 minutes. And the second one, time taken to watch the second show. To watch the second show. So second show, how long did he watch? 45 minutes. He watched 45 minutes. So see here they have given for how long did he watch television. So what you have to do, you have to add children. So what you have to do, see time taken to watch both shows. Time taken to watch the both shows. So what you have to do children? What you have to do? First you have to write R here. HOUR. And then here minute short form I have written. Okay children. So first one what will come children? 1 hour 35 minutes and the second show 45 minutes. So you have to write in the minutes only. You should not write in the hour. So what you can do? You can write 0 and you can write here 45. Okay. So what you have to do children? You have to add. As soon as you add, what will come children? You have to write the direct answer. No, I have taught you in the add itself. See 5 plus 5, 10. Carry over here. The carry over here will come and 1 plus 3, 4 and 4 plus 4, 8. So 8 means what I have taught you children. So here 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Otherwise what you have to 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So what you have to do children? You have to split this 80. So what will come children? 60 minutes plus 20 minutes. Isn't it children? Yes. So 60 minutes means what children? 1 hour. 60 minutes means what? 1 hour 20 minutes. So while writing in the minutes column, what you have to write? You have to write only this 20 minutes. You should not write this hour. So you have to write here 20 and this 1 hour what you have to do children? You have to bring up here. You have to bring this 1 hour here. So 1 here you have to, so 1 plus 1 how much? 2. So what's the answer, children? What's the answer? 2 hours 20 minutes. He watched how many hours, children? Answer what will come, children? He watched what? 2 hours 20 minutes. Yes, children, for how long did he watch, children? He watched 2 hours 20 minutes he watched. Okay, children, are you thorough in the first word sums? Okay, we'll go to the second sum. Okay. Shailesh took 1 hour 25 minutes to complete a race, while Abhinav took 1 hour 45 minutes. Who ran faster by how much? Once again, I'll read the question, children. Shailesh took 1 hour 25 minutes to complete a race, while Abhinav took 1 hour 45 minutes. Who ran faster by how much? We have to find out. So children, what you have to do, children? So time taken by, so we have to write time taken by Shailesh to complete the race. Complete a race. So time taken by Shailesh, how much hours, children? 1 hour 25 minutes. 1 hour 25 minutes. Okay. And then time taken by Abhinav. Time taken by Abhinav to complete the race. A race. So how long did he take? How much time he took? He took 1 hour 45 minutes. 1 hour 45 minutes. So what you have to do, children? You have to subtract. You have to subtract. You should not add. You should not add. Okay, children? So what will come? Who ran faster? You have to find out who ran faster. Okay, children? So who ran faster? You have to find out this one first. So what will come? You have to write hour and minutes here. So while writing for subtraction, what we have to do, children? Can we write the first one here, children? No. The number which is bigger one only we have to write on the write in the first column. If you write 1 hour 25 minutes first and 1 hour 45 minutes below, means you can't subtract, isn't it, children? You can't subtract and you can't borrow also from here. So what you have to do? You have to write the bigger number, this one first. What you have to write? 1 hour 45 minutes first, and then you have to subtract, because you are finding who ran faster, isn't it, children? So you have to write like this only, 1 hour 25 minutes. So children, here also you listen carefully. It's not like normal subtraction, but here this sum is very easy. Why this sum is very easy? Yesterday in the Thursday Zoom class I taught you, isn't it? See, when the lower number is lesser than the bigger number, you can directly what you can do? You can subtract, because here see, here bigger number is there, here smaller number. But when the smaller number here is there, means you have to subtract from the heart. But here directly you can subtract, because this is bigger number. The upper number is bigger number. So 5 minus 5, 0, 4 minus 2, 2, and 1 minus 1, 0. So this sum is very easy. So who ran faster? Shailesh ran faster. Isn't it, children? Who ran faster? Shailesh ran faster Dan Abhinav. By how many minutes? By 20 minutes. By 20 minutes. So see, answer came. This is for the first answer. Shailesh ran faster, and by how much he ran is 20 minutes. Okay children, so Shailesh ran faster than Abhinav by how many minutes? 20 minutes. Okay children, are you thorough? We'll see the third sum. Okay children, third sum. Punjab Mail takes 3 hours 15 minutes to reach Agra from New Delhi, while Gatiman Express takes 1 hour 40 minutes. How much time will Riya save if she travel by Gatiman Express? See, 2 train is there. One is Punjab Mail and another one is Gatiman Express. So when if she travels in Punjab Mail, how long it takes time? 3 hours 15 minutes. And if she travels in Gatiman Express, 1 hour 40 minutes it takes time. So how much time it saves when she travels by Gatiman Express, we have to find out. Okay children, so time taken by Punjab Mail to reach Agra. To reach Agra. How long children? Punjab Mail means 3 hours 15 minutes. 3 hours 15 minutes, and then time taken by Gatiman Express to reach Agra. How much hours children? 1 hour 45 minutes. 1 hour 40 minutes. 1 hour 40 minutes. 1 hour 40 minutes. So we have to find out which train takes little. How much time she can save when she travels by Gatiman Express. Okay children. So which train takes children? Punjab Mail takes more time. Isn't it children? Punjab Mail takes more time than Gatiman Express. So we have to find out. How we have to find out? So what you have to write children first? We have to show difference in time taken. Difference in time taken. Difference in time taken. So we are going to find difference in time taken. So what we have to write children? First one, hours, minutes. So first what you have to write children? You have to write the bigger number, isn't it children? The bigger number is there only 3 hours 15 minutes, and then you have to subtract what? 1 hour 40 minutes. So here also you listen carefully, but here see children, see the lower number is bigger than the upper number. See, upper number is smaller number. So what you have to do children? Can you subtract children? No. So what you have to do? You have to borrow from the hour. You have to borrow from the hour. If you borrow from the hour means 3 will become what children? 3 will become 2. You are borrowing 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to what children? 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to what children? 60 minutes. So what you have to do children? 1 hour 60 minutes means here what you have to write? 60, and what you you have to do? You have to add this number 60 plus 15. So 60 plus 15 means what will come, children? 75. So you are borrowing 60 minutes. So if you borrow 60 minutes, you have to add with, because it should be bigger number. So when you add, what comes, children? What comes, sir? 75. Now you can borrow. 5 minus 0, 5. And 7 minus 4, 3. And 2 minus 1, 1. Understood, children? Yesterday I taught you, isn't it, children? So what's the answer, children? What's the answer? Riya will save 1 hour 35 minutes if she travels by Gatiman Express. Understood, children? So she says how long she says 1 hour 35 minutes she can save. Why? If she travels by Gatiman Express. Okay, children? While doing the subtraction, you have to be very careful, children. You can't directly, and you should not put this one 15 and this one 0. You can't subtract like that one. Okay, children? So while doing the sum, you have to be careful whether the lower number is small